చాలా మంది హెల్ప్ చేశారు నాకు ఈ సర్వీస్ క్లియర్ అవడానికి. మోస్ట్లీ మై మమ్మీ డాడీ ఇద్దరు బాగా హెల్ప్ చేశారు. దాని తర్వాత ఇంకా చాలా మంది మెంటర్స్ ఉన్నారు. స్పెషల్ గా విష్ణు సార్ అని ఒక ఆయన ఉన్నారు, ఆంథ్రోపాలజీ. ఆయన చాలా హెల్ప్ చేశారు. సో వీళ్ళందరి వల్ల ఇవాళ ర్యాంక్ వచ్చింది. అందరికీ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
I would say that you acted like a elder brother to me. And sir, every little silly things I had to ask, I used to call you. You used to even receive my calls at 12 a.m. also. So I would say yes, sir. During interview stage, whatever you told me, that the interview panel board, that was very good. I would say I actually knew what I had to work upon after giving the online interview from there. So thank you so much for that. Yes,
all those students are with Vishnu sir. You are in great hands. So believe in him. He will take you to great heights. That I know for sure, because he's very enthusiastic and he's energetic. He helps students because he's a genuine person. I know him, and thank you for that.
See, in 10 lakhs competition, getting that much good rank is a very great achievement, rare achievement.
For anthropology, as you said, 272 is a very good score, and I attribute it to your enthusiasm, sir. Yeah. In the first test, as soon as I gave it to you, you corrected it the next day, sir. So that's a level of enthusiasm you show for your students, sir. And that has been a central factor for this decent score in my anthropology subjects. So after the interview, I guess you reached out to me and you talked about how my interview was decent, sir, and that gave me a lot of confidence. And the input you gave was to smile a bit.
Hi everyone. I have been associated with VISHNU IAS Academy, particularly Vishnu sir, for my interview mentorship program. He has filled an immense amount of confidence in me in terms of tackling the interview preparation, and I also relied on sir's notes for some of the GS resources for my mains preparation. And most of my friends are referring Vishnu sir's anthropology for the optional purposes. So in this regard, I have to thank Vishnu sir for supporting me immensely during my GS preparation and also especially interview preparation. Thank you sir, thank you very much for giving me that immense amount of support, not just physically but also emotionally. Thank you very much sir.
You gave lots of contribution. First, you made my anthropology very easily, and you covered all the aspects, and I also referred your book. That's why I scored decent mark in this year's anthropology mains. And in interview, I also gave one mock interview with the VISHNU IAS Academy, where all the experience facilities pinpointed my mistake, and ultimately I rectified my mistakes. Very thank you sir. Thank you very much.
You made us proud, Rishabh.
Yes. बोला कि यार ये दैट इज आई थिंक दैट इज इनफ. उसके बाद फिर मैंने आपकी टेस्ट सीरीज भी ली थी. तो टेस्ट सीरीज में सबसे अच्छी बात ये लगी मुझे कि पेपर टाइमली बहुत जल्दी चेक हो जाता था, 2 से 3 दिन 3-4 दिन में, और बहुत अच्छे से चेक होता था. सो दैट वाज अ वेरी गुड थिंग. एंड आपका जो डाउट सॉल्विंग वाला जो प्रोसेस है वो बहुत ही एनरिचिंग है. उसमें काफ़ी केस स्टडीज, एग्जाम्पल्स. So your contribution is immense.
So very happy, Roja, really is.
And for anthropology, I used to attend your classes, sir. You dedicatedly gave 1 hour. And you covered it also. And I believe if your classes are not there, I would have just skipped anthropology and went for the interview because you had covered it beautifully. Like, it was very helpful. For anthropology, you gave me that confidence. Okay, anthropology is done. If they ask something, I'll be able to answer. So see prelims as that, like it's like a gate. You just want to open the gate and then you are on the other side.